Hola mga katropa and welcome to our video for today. So in the past days, I have been showing to you Tsunade as a defender. So soon, I'm going to show you my Tsunade, however in attack mission. But first, before we test her in attack mission, or should I say, before I flex my Tsunade in attack mission, let's first hunt her LB for the last time because I'm going to summon today in her banner. But I don't have any intentions of recording this summon, but there is just something that I want to show you. That is why I also use English for now. But well, of course, later in the summon I will be speaking in Filipino na. Okay? So have you noticed something in Roundup Mission? For my viewers of Tol Anong Latest, I didn't notice this. I only noticed this one now. Did you notice something in our SAM banner, or should I say Village Leader Championship banner? If you will look at the steps, there are only step 4 in each round. If you'll recall correctly, before, the SAM banners usually had 5 steps in each round, but now we only have 4. So the first summon is, of course, the usual 100 Shinobite. The next summon is 150. And the next summon is 200. But if you will look here in the info at step 4, the next summon is already 400 Shinobites. Missing something? Notice? So if you still haven't noticed it, there's no more 250 SB summon, or should I say the former step 4. No. And is this good? Actually, yes, because they have made the VL Championship banners a bit cheaper. Because before you reach this part where there is 1 5-star guaranteed, is you have to first go through the 250 SB. Okay? And it's a bit longer and a bit costly because it takes you more time and you'll spend more Shinos compared to what we are going to spend right now. So 100 plus 150, 250 plus 200 is 450, and then if you will add that 250, you'll be needing 700 Shinos before you reach this stage 400. So a total of 1,100 SB is needed before you complete one round of SAM banner summon before. But now, minus 250, you only need 850 Shinobite to complete one round. So now, for the last time, we're going to hunt. Let's see if I will get Tsunade's LB here. Tingnan natin. So this is it. Ito na mga katropa. Tayo ay magpupul na. No more rituals. Sawa na ako sa mga ritual. I had enough of it. So let's get into this. So guaranteed ito na 5-star. And hopefully, makuha po natin yung 5-star. Pag nakuha natin yung wow, complete kit. Ano? Please give me the 5-star. You have shafted na ako ng 4 na buwan. Utang na loob. So hindi po ritual yun, ano? Kasi nagsasalita ako. I'm just not good in multitasking. Of course, kukulay siya ng rainbow. Yan, please. Tsunade na, please. Make it Tsunade. May gulay. Kadiri. Yak! 5-star to ni Jiraya eh. Ang pangit ng guaranteed. Kita niyo naman, mga katropa. Yan na nga ang aking So, i-declare na ba natin na for the 5th month, I am shafted? So, tingnan natin yung siyang cards na lalabas. My God, mukhang pinagbigyan lang ho tayo dun sa Tsunade. Talagang hindi talaga ibibigay ni Bandot kung ano yung kailangan ko. Ano? Ay, nako po. Ay, ayan na. 3 star na. Grabe, oh. Hindi man lamang Shit! Grabe, harap-harapang pagiging shafted to, oh. May gulay. Ako'y lalo ng tinabangan. Oo. Ako'y lalo na ng lalamig. Grabe, oh. Ni isa man lamang copy at least ng card ni Jiraya na 4 star. At least lang para ma-max ko na. Kasi level 4 yun eh. At 2 copy yung nakuha ko doon sa ticket eh. Kung matatandaan niyo. Grabe, nagsayang tayo doon ng 400 SB. Kapapaliwanag ko lang kanina, ako itong tuwa at nakalibre. At ito na naman tayo, ano. Ay, naku po, ang saklap. Ang saklap. Ano bang drop rate nun? Gaano ba kababa yung drop rate nun? Tingnan natin, 5% yung EX. 20%. Itong, ay guaranteed to eh, hindi yung normal. 1% yung EX nila. Asa ng LB? Where's the LB? Yan. So at least 2% or pag pinagsama yan 5% na pwede makuha yung LB, yung 4 star. Nakakataka talaga eh, kahit yung 4 star eh. Wala talaga. Kitang-kita nyo naman mga katropa. Total of 12%. Kung pag-aadin natin yan, 12, 13, 14. Tapos, so parang 19%. There's 19% chance na makakuha tayo ng new cards nila, doon sa 5 star. Pero shafted, tingnan nyo naman, grabe, ang lala, Bad drop rates. Balik na naman baga. Ay, nako, Last ko na talaga to, Hindi na ako natutokso, mga katropa. So, wag nyo nang asahan na magpupull pack uli ako dito sa banner nila. I have to save again Shinobites. For the future. No? And wala po akong temptation na mag-summon na dito kila Jiraya and Tsunade. Although natutokso ako mag-summon pa din dito sa Light and Shadow. Although kung tutuusin talaga sa kwentahan, wala na talaga akong Shinobite na darating talaga. So yun lang mga katropa. Kitang-kita nyo naman, harap-harapan. Tayo ay shinapted na naman ni Bandai. Kita-kits mga katropa.